Alright, Prod Squad, so man, we out here this morning at Ren's Body Shop, back at the same place where I got it fixed the last time. And yeah, so about to get this blemish fixed here. So hopefully, you know, they can go ahead and knock this out fairly quickly, just buff it out, repaint it. But I'm missing this part here on my my headlight. So anyway, about to go over here and pick up this rental car, so we're gonna see what we got. I'll let y'all in a minute. So yeah, I got the rental car. I got a pretty good one in my opinion, to be honest with you. I'm down about 4 cylinders, you know what I'm saying, on this rental this time around. But I mean, it's all good because, you know, we swapped out 4 cylinders for a little bit of luxury, man. We got this Audi Q7 Quattro here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all really can't see a whole lot. I'll show you more when I park and stuff. But yeah, so it's at the shop now, man. I'm gonna have it back in about a week. But look at this, man. Look, my baby, she up there. She right there. She's right there. Right there. They put her right in the front too. Look at that. They put it right in the front. They put it in the front so everybody can see. You know what I'm saying? Look, like, yeah, yo, we got some badass cars up here at this shop. So yeah, y'all might want to bring y'all busted joints up here. Basically the damage, you know, the estimate, everything like that back. So the total amount for damages is roughly around like $1,650. Basically, they're not going to replace the bumper. It didn't do too much damage to the bumper where it was, you know, where they had to replace it. They just got to paint it basically. And the bezel around the headlight that I showed y'all, that's missing. They're gonna replace that as well too. Today is Wednesday, June the 1st, so I should have it back. They said roughly about 7 days to get it fixed and everything. So that'll be next week, man, next Wednesday. But I'll be riding around, you know what I'm saying, this Q7 here. Look at this, look at this. Let me just show y'all a little bit. You know what I'm saying? We got the Audi, got the Q7. Y'all drop a comment below, man, if y'all want me to do a review on this thing. I mean, it's nice though, don't get me wrong now. It's got some nice, got some nice amenities to it. Look at this. We got the full seating in the back, you know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seater. Yeah. Full 7-seater. Let's see what else we got going here, man. I mean, I'm just wanted to give you a little bit. I'm still driving right now, so I can't show you a whole lot. We got the panoramic sunroof, you know, we're gonna show that up to you right there. Let the shade back. I can't do that. Y'all can look at that while I drive and everything. Look at that, that's dope, right? Right, yeah. So yeah, man, we got the panoramic sunroof and everything. I mean, I'll be honest with you, this is, like I said, for real, a luxury type vehicle, you know. And I'm gonna be honest, it's a complete 180 from, you know, the normal drive that I would have, you know, driving my car, man. It's always aggressive, always aggressive. That cam constantly has that car shaking. Even sitting at the light and drive with your foot on the brake, it feels like it always just wants to jump out and go, man. But you know, I have this for a little bit, so I'm gonna enjoy, you know, the peace and quietness, you know, and just the smooth riding and everything. I'm gonna enjoy all that. As far as the horsepower and stuff, man, I mean, y'all know I had to Google that, check that out. I think it's at like damn, man, y'all start me to line. I'm gonna put it down here at the bottom of the screen what it has, but I don't think it's like 200 something for this particular model. This is a premium plus, I believe. They got like 3 tiers. They got like a premium plus, and a prestige. Those of you who have Audis, you know, y'all can tell, y'all know better than I will. But it's 2022. It's nice, man. It's clean. It ride good. So I'm you know, just enjoy it while I got it. But I just want to give y'all a quick update as far as the car is concerned. Y'all saw where it's sitting up there at Ren's Body Shop. So if you happen to be in the area, you know what I'm saying, you want to ride by and take a look at it, don't do nothing else, because they do got cameras out there. I know y'all be playing. Yeah, I should have it back in about a week. The estimate was about $1,650 on the repairs and everything. So when I get her back, we'll be back in the game, you know what I'm saying? And I keep on giving y'all some other content as far as what people have been asking, man, because y'all got some really good questions, man, about what's going on with the car and stuff, and the cam and the difference, and what does it affect, you know, with the long tube headers, especially emissions thing, man. Apparently a lot of people have been running into problems with that whole emissions thing. So, you know, if I can give you the direction that I took, you know, you take the path that I took, then you should be good to go as far as passing the emissions, you know, if you have my trim level. Now, some of y'all be asking some questions, like some serious super mechanical questions. I can't give you those kind of answers. I don't want to lie to you in that way. So I mean, I'll be honest with you and just tell you, hey bro, I don't know. I mean, I can only tell you what I've done to my car and how it responded to what I did to it. But anyway, man, just wanted to fill y'all in real quick and let y'all know what's going on. And yeah, I'm just gonna give you like a little quick see-through when I park with this Audi Q7 here, and let me know, you know what I'm saying, in the comments what y'all think, man. Other than that, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below, let me know what you think, subscribe, all that. I'll holler at y'all again. Peace. All right, y'all, so real quick, man, just wanted to kind of show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what just a couple of the little features here that this car got. The main, okay, I'm gonna tell you the best thing about this car so far that I've seen, aside, you know, I like the sunroof and everything, that's dope, but it's this right here. Bro, this is in my garage right now. 3D. Now, this might not be, you know, new to some people. You might have this type of car or technology, but man, it's my first time seeing this. Y'all gotta realize, man, I ain't, you know, I done had my car since 2016, bruh. Look at this is crazy. How you can just make sure, like, you know what I'm saying, that you where you supposed to be. Look, I'm inside far enough so I ain't gotta worry about scratching the back. That's just crazy. Just a little something. Audi Q7. It's not a bad looking car, man. It actually looks pretty good. It damn sure rides good. Got that Quattro. You know, it's straight, man. Ain't nothing wrong with it. But I would have to park like right behind a damn a wide body scat pack over here. Thing looking real nice too. I know exactly whose car this is. But yeah, man, so I'll be back to it soon.